Hey, what's going on, YouTubians? So today, what I'm going to be talking about is how much money do you need to start expediting? Either working for a fleet owner, that's somebody that owns a vehicle, you just drive it for them, to being an owner operator. So I'll start with the fleet owner thing because that seems to be the most popular um, popular option for people first getting into this. So basically, you're going to need money for, because what you're going to be doing for the most part may be different depending on where you go, what type of deal you have. It's going to be a 60-40 split, meaning you're going to get 60% of what the van makes and you're going to pay for fuel. Okay? So you're going to need money put away for probably 2 to 3 weeks. You're not going to get a paycheck, depending on where you work, what company you go with. Usually there's a 2-week holdback and blah blah blah. You're probably going to have to pay for a drug test or maybe a medical examination if that company you're going with that fleet owner has that in place. So you're going to need money for fuel and food for probably 2 to 3 weeks at the most. Like I said, it depends on what company you're going with. So you're going to want at least, this is at least $1,000 to $3,000 saved up. $1,000 to $3,000 saved up, so you're not, oh man, I ran out of money. I don't have enough money for food. I don't have money for fuel. Whatever it is, have $1,000 to $3,000 put away for whatever expenditures when you're out on the road to cover your bills and whatnot too. The more, the better, right? Now, if you're becoming a owner operator, what you should have put away is about $5,000 to $7,000. Let's just say $5,000 to $10,000 put away for expenses, unexpected breakdowns, cover your bills, van payment, whatever. It's usually two-week holdback at most companies, depending on where you go, what the contract you sign, etc., etc. If there's an escrow, which will be in either owner operator or a fleet owner, that is basically the same for both. So make sure you have money put away when you get into this. I don't want to have people get into this and they go, oops, I don't have money and now I'm broke. I don't like seeing that. I don't want to see that. I want people to come out here and I want people to be successful. When people are successful after watching my videos or somebody else's videos, that's why I do this. This is just a hobby for me. If I can help a couple people out, I'm happy. I don't need millions of people watching me. I don't need thousands of people watching me. I just do this to help people out. So if I help you out or you find the video informative, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, that's cool. Click the thumbs down button twice. And please consider subscribing. If I could get an extra sub to the channel, that would be great. Really make my day. And like I said, man, I just want people to come out here, have all the information they need to be successful. Watch a 10, 15, 20, 30 minute, 40 minute video and gain some knowledge so that you're successful. So when you get into this, have some money put away to get you through till you start making money. You should do fine. You should be able to learn the ropes and eventually get with a better company. Or if you like where you're at, stay there. You're making decent money and you're happy, stay. Don't be jumping ship all the time. It looks bad when you're trying to get hired on to another company. Oh, this guy's likes to jump ship. He's been with 7 different companies in 6 months. You know what I mean? So a lot of common sense prevails. So if you want to be successful, be smart. Do your due diligence. Look into it. Watch as many videos as humanly possible. Go on the different Facebook groups and just read between the lines. Go on Expeditors Online. Read between the lines. Do your research. Figure out if this is for you or not before you jump into it. Before you go buy a $40,000, $50,000 van. Go work for a fleet owner. That's my advice. I've been doing this for 11 years. This is my 11th year doing this. I am no expert. I've had good times and I've had horrible times and I've had half decent times. So I'm not a know-all. I just give out my information that I've learned over the time that I've been doing this, and hopefully people put it into good use. Because when I started this, I had nobody. I learned everything that I know through the industry by learning as I go, right? And I figured, hey man, if I can help one person out so they didn't have to go through the trials and tribulations like I've had to, then I guess it's worth it. But yeah, save your money. Have some money saved. Save your money while you're making money for the bad times, because you are going to have bad times. And yeah, man. But anyways, if you like the video, like I said, give me that thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for your time, and bye for now.